there. That's all round track, and that's all the flat track, all the different lengths right there. We'll stock them in 6, 7, 8, 10 foot. 3 foot door, 6 foot track. 4 foot door, 8 foot track. That is where the money is. That's all the exposed track and hardware right there. More talk door kits right here. See, back here, we're moving into the hardware department. In the hardware department, this is where everything but the track is. All your hangers, all your door stops, all your guides, everything that makes the door slide is right back in this whole section back here.
Where you get to start looking in the buckets, you can see all the great stuff in here. All the precision grade bearings, all stamped right here, and you can see the stamping machines right in front of you there.
There's a better one over here, Steve. So you can see all these hangers are ready to go over here. They're loosely put on with the bearings and the axles. So we'll line all these up so they're all pre-assembled, ready to go. And what you do is you grab your hangers, you're going to bring them over here, and you'll load these all up all the way through. And then once this is all loaded, you just simply hit the peen, and it'll peen down here. What it does is peen these two wheels on, and that keeps the wheels on here. By pushing the wheels on and keeping them tight and assembled, allows for less movement in the track and a higher quality performance of the product. In the bucket she goes.